Hello guys, welcome to PK Sir classes. So this is CA Prasanna Kumar, formerly referred as PK Sir. So guys, this video is about the CA final SCM-DM, that is Strategic Cost Management Decision Making, paper 15, group 3, regular class. Okay. Now, this class right now, it is available in our PK Sir classes app. So you can either download it on your, Android phone. You can just go to the Play Store, search with the name PKSR classes. Okay, you'll get the app. You can download. You can go to the store. You'll find the courses over here. So this is the store. You have CMA Final Crash over here, Group 3. This is one course that is available. Then we have CMA Final Regular class over here. Okay, and we have CA Final Advanced Auditing, CA Final SCMP, and the remaining two papers, they belong to CA Final. Anyways, now let's talk about CMA Final over here. Now this is the regular course. Okay, so why I have started this a regular course exclusively for CMA Final, because earlier it was not needed because AMA of CA Final was pretty much similar to the syllabus of CMA Final as well. But now the CA Final SCMP syllabus is totally different when compared to CMA Final, and especially the OR part is gone. In CA it is gone. So now people who are students who are especially preparing for CMA Final exams, they find it very difficult to cover their OR part. So that's when I started receiving messages from students, and they were asking me, sir, your CA Final SCMP, does it suit for CMA Final? Now I was telling them honestly, because in no way the syllabus is getting matched. It's a lot different. I can say 50 to 60% it is different. Even decision making chapter also. Okay, forget about the OR part. Anyway, the OR part is totally exclusive for CMA, and it's not there in CA right now. And even the other parts which are similar. Now, if you take decision making, in CA it's totally different. In CMA, even in study material, you find 47 questions apart from workbook. 47 questions on decision making. If you add workbook together, it goes beyond that. So therefore, I thought that there is a necessity of having an exclusive class for CMA Final, and that's where I've started a live batch, and the live batch was getting recorded. And now, as you can see, nearly 30 to 35 days have got finished, and we are uploading those classes one after the other. Now, if you can see here, if you go to the videos over here, already the OR part has been completely uploaded. As you can see, this is all about learning curve over here, learning curve and LPP. Then here it is assignment and transportation. All the videos are uploaded, and the network analysis is also done. Simulation is also done. Everything has been uploaded, and costing also we are uploading right now. By the time this video was being done, it is not yet uploaded fully. Okay, and of course the class is also going on simultaneously. You got it, guys? So here I've given 120 hours because at that time I thought that 120 hours is sufficient, but I personally feel that it may touch 140 hours as of now, is what my guesswork right now it is. It may touch 130, 140. So 140 hours will be the exhaustive coverage of CMA Final. 140 hours of session where all the questions from your study material, the CMA Institute study material, will be covered, plus the workbook also will be covered, so that you guys are absolutely ready for your exams. Is that clear? So what you can do, sir, to watch this classes, if you want to watch it on mobile or a tablet, like for example here I am showing this from iPad, Apple iPad. So you can watch it on Android tablet like Samsung tablet or Lenovo tablet. You can watch it on Android phones. You can watch it on iPhone. You can watch it on iPad as well. So what I'm showing you right now is from iPad itself. So if you guys want to watch it on your Android phone, simply you can go to Play Store, search with the name PKSR classes. You'll get the app, download it, go to the store. You can directly buy the classes over here. Okay, you can see the buy option over here, right? And straight away you can start watching it instantly. The moment you buy, immediately you can start watching it. And any doubts, you can WhatsApp or call to these numbers that you can see here, 9246946444 or 9063063832. Let me tell you guys, this is the best classes in the country right now available in pure English for CMA Final exclusively. This is not class which has been recorded for CA Final, and from there some classes has been lifted and kept it and then made another product to be sold. No, every single class, it is live, guys, and in live all the students are CMA Final students, and it is recorded from live, so it will be much more interactive, and not even one class has been lifted from CA final. Exclusively every single class has been recorded for CMA final from CMA final material only. The study material given by CMA final, CMA Institute, as well as the workbook as well for regular course. When it comes to crash, obviously you can't cover that much, so workbook will not be covered. Study material, to the extent possible, it will be covered. But in regular class, there is no compromise made. Concepts, you can see the demo classes that I have put. I think 4 to 5 demo classes is there in my YouTube channel, and days 27 also recently I put the demo class. You watch it, you will understand what exhaustively we cover the concepts. Are you able to understand? The OR part, most of the, I think, learning curve and LPP also, I think, to whatever the extent that is possible, we have put the demo classes. Even in the app also you can see, okay, you will find demo classes, you can see that, and or you can just go to our YouTube channel, you can see the class over there. My request from my side for you guys is share this to your friends in the social media and whatever the platforms that you have got. Let them know, because I have received so many messages from students saying that, sir, unfortunately we don't know that there is an exclusive product for CMA. We have been searching for it since many months and we did not find anything that is really worth buying where it's exclusively taught for CMA, and that too by a good reputed faculty, sir. So we were facing so many issues, sir. Why is it like this happening for CMA and all these things? So I felt really bad at that particular point of time. Now it is available. Paper 15 group 3 is available. I'm gonna come with few more papers also. SFM also I'm going to come, and the other papers with respect to costing also I'm going to come. I'll announce it slowly, okay, because even the time is a big constraint for me. So once it is announced, that's why you can download our app straight away. You can keep it. Once any new product is announced, immediately you'll get a notification in your app. Okay. So share this, Nana, share this video, and let your friends know that there is a course available exclusively for CMA, and so that they can prepare accordingly and get it benefited for the exam. Even the cost that we have kept is very reasonable. You can just check it out, the price as well. It's very reasonably kept so that it's affordable for everybody. Considering the development cost that we have incurred so much for the app and all that stuff, we have tried to give best from our side, right guys? So if you got any more queries with respect to the subject before you try to buy it, you can just WhatsApp to this particular number, the number that you can see here. You can contact me, you can directly talk to me as well. Of course, subject to my time constraints. If I'm in class, if I'm recording the class, if I'm in live class, then obviously I'll not be able to respond, which I do for more than 8 hours a day. So but still I'll try to respond you back. Message will be a lot more preferable. Okay. So that's it guys from my side. You can see the demo classes and you can decide for yourself and get the opportunity, avail the opportunity guys, and write your exams really well. And once you pass and get tremendous marks, message me how the class has helped you, and I'll be really happy seeing that you guys are qualified and seeing that my efforts have really helped you guys. So thank you so much. That's it. This is kind of informative video from my side, especially for CMA final, SEMDM, group 3 paper 15 regular classes, and that's gonna be for 140 hours. Okay, right? So thank you guys.